When you run a staffing agency, you're doing two jobs at once, landing new job orders and filling the ones you have. Most CRMs handle one. OnePageCRM handles both. It structures your daily work by keeping every client and candidate moving forward. Building a talent pool you can actually search and tracking both sides of your business in one place. When you log into OnePageCRM, the first thing you see is your agenda for today. That's your action stream. It's a list of your contacts, each one assigned a clear next step. They are color-coded and sorted by urgency. Red for urgent or overdue tasks, orange for today's, and gray for anything in the future. There's also a blue flag for when you're waiting, perhaps for a hiring manager who hasn't gotten back to you, or a candidate waiting to hear about an offer. OnePageCRM shows you exactly what needs to happen next. It could be a screening for a candidate for a senior engineer role, chase one company for interview feedback, or send your shortlist to another. Just work your way through the list in an organized and timely way. There's also a drag and drop pipeline. And here's the thing, you can set up two. One to track client relationships from first call to job order. One to track placements from their submittal to job offers or right up to the start date. Both sides of your business in one app. And for your talent pool to be truly useful, you need to be able to actually search it. You can tag candidates by speciality, seniority, location, and availability. Say you have a job order for a senior financial analyst in Boston. No problem. Filter your database in seconds. Each contact has everything you need. Notes, calls, meetings, and emails right where you can see them. You can also set up custom fields, salary expectations, notice period, visa status, availability, and whatever else you need to track for your candidates. When it comes to email, a fully functional inbox and two-way sync are built right into OnePageCRM. You can send a candidate submission and know the exact moment the hiring manager opens it. That's your cue to call, which you can then log in a matter of seconds. You can even automate steps in your process to speed things up. Mark a placement as one, and OnePageCRM handles the rest. A 90-day check-in gets set automatically. The candidate gets a congratulations email. The client relationship stays warm with no extra admin. OnePageCRM also integrates with Google, Workspace, Outlook, your favorite calendars, and free web forms. And if you source on LinkedIn, the lead clipper can add candidates seamlessly from there to your CRM. Plus, we're also on mobile. So when you're at a networking event, you can create CRM contacts from business cards, then set a follow-up task, all while details are fresh in your mind. The mobile app also stores deals, notes, and emails. These are just some of the reasons why recruiters and staffing consultants in over 80 countries choose OnePageCRM. In fact, we even use it in-house for our own hiring process. It keeps every client and every candidate moving forward. Creating an account takes less than 5 minutes, so you can get started right away.